So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads right here, one for x86 and one for x64. To know which one you need, you're going to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. And then once you're on this, next to system type is going to be telling us. So for me, I'm on x64. If your one says x64, then you want to get the x64 download. If it says x86 or x32, then you want to get the other download. Now for me, since I'm on x64, I'm going to be getting the x64 download. I'm going to click on this, and it's now going to start downloading. And then once that's been downloaded, you're going to click on it. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you're going to tick this box, I agree, and then click on install. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on yes, and it's now going to start installing. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, it should now be saying setup successful. We're now going to close out of this. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.